My dear students, I heartily welcome all of you to this session. In this session, I would like to continue the nomenclature part. We finished up to nomenclature of organic compounds having aldehyde group or CHO group. In this session, we can start with the compounds having CO group, that is keto group. If CO group is the functional group, it is an organic compound containing the functional group CO. This group is called keto group. If this is the functional group, then the compound is named in this way. To name a compound having CO group, to name a ketone, what is done is you have to select the longest possible continuous carbon chain. Select the possible longest continuous carbon chain. Get the alkane concerned. Select the possible longest continuous carbon chain. Get the alkane concerned. Drop E from the primary suffix of the alkane. Drop E and add on, ketone, ONE. So name of the molecule is IUPAC's name is alkanone. To name a compound having CO group, what is done is select the possible continuous carbon chain in the given molecule containing CO group. From that carbon number, you can identify the parent alkane. From the parent name, drop E and then add ONE. So the name is alkanone. Alkanone. Let us see the examples. It is a compound having CO group. To name this molecule, identify the longest possible continuous carbon chain that should contain carbon atom of CO group. So here the longest possible chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hex ane. Drop E and add ONE. Then you have number the chain from one end to the other in order to specify the position of the CO group. It can be numbered from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. If it is numbered from here 1, 2, 3, numbering should be done from any one of the ends in such a way that carbon atom of CO group gets lowest possible number. So this molecule is named as hexane. Drop E, where the ONE is placed the third carbon, hexane 3-on. Hexanone. Hexane 3-on. That is the correct IUPAC name. This is CO group containing molecule. CO group is called keto group. Identify the longest continuous, longest possible carbon chain. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the parent chain. Start numbering from one of the ends in such a way that CO group gets lowest possible number. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is fourth carbon is holding one CH3 group. Its name is 4-methyl. 4-methyl heptane trione. CH3COCH3. It is the simplest ketone. Minimum carbon atoms required to form a ketone is to draw the structure of a ketone is 3. 1, 2, 3. Propane. It is propanone. It is propanone, need of mentioning the position because propanone is always propan-2-ol. Propanone. This is propanone. It is obtained from calcium acetate. When calcium acetate is dry distilled, you will get this compound CH3COCH3. Since it is obtained from an acetate, it is commonly called acetone. Common name of propanone is acetone. CH3 C double bond O. Here CO group is the principal functional group. Numbering parent chain has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. CO group should get lowest possible number. So name of this molecule is 5-bromo-pentane. 5-bromo-pentane-2-ol. Clear? Next is it is a 6 carbon containing ketone. CO group is at the third carbon, so it is hexane trione. It is a substituted hexane trione. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When number this one from any side, it becomes hexane trione. In this case, if there is a if CO group gets same locant from either side, you have to number the chain in such a way that if there is a substituent, substituted carbon should get the lowest number. So this numbering is correct. It is 1 bromo, hexane, trione. The number from here 1, 2, 3, it is hexane trione. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1 bromo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is pentan trione, not hexa, pentan trione. First carbon is having bromine. It is 1 bromo pentan trione. See, this is one, two, no other way of numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 bromo pentan 2, 4 bromo butan 2-one, 4 bromo butan 2-one. Four bromo butan 2-one. Here this group gets lowest number. If you number from here 1, 2, 3, it has the locant 3. That is not the correct numbering. The parent chain has 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. CO group is at the third position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here there is a substituent bromine. Numbering should be done in such a way that this bromine atom connected carbon gets lowest number. This is 5, 1 bromo pentan trione. 1 bromo pentan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentan trione. CO group ketone, 5 carbon atoms in the parent chain. It is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, whatever may be the numbering pattern. CO group is at the third carbon. Then you have to see there are 2 different substituents. One is bromine and other one is chlorine. Here numbering is done in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1 bromo 5 chloro pentan trione. 1 bromo 5 chloro pentan trione. Clear? If in this case CO group is at the third carbon from either sides, numbering can be done from any side, but there are 2 different substituents. They are at if you number from here, substituents are at the second, third, fourth, fifth, second and fifth. If numbering is here, it is at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 4. Out of these 2 different sets of locants, 2, 5 and 1, 4. 1, 4 is preferred. So name of this molecule is what? 4 bromo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 4 bromo. 1. 4 bromo. 1 chloro pentan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentan 3-one. Clear? Okay. Next, if CO group is connected to, if this is your structure, it is cyclohexanone, cyclohexanone, cyclohexanone. Come on. 5 carbon atoms are in the longest chain. 6 carbon atoms are in the longest chain. Here 6 carbon atoms are in the longest chain, hexa. That parent chain is saturated ANE. ONE group, keto group is there, so the secondary suffix is ONE. Since the molecule has cyclic structure, it is cyclohexanone. It is always one. No need of mentioning the position. Penta, carbon-carbon bond single, ONE has cyclic structure, it is cyclopentanone. Cyclopentanone. Here 6-membered ring, hexa, there is a double bond ENE, ONE, cyclic structure. Here double bonded carbon, here CO group, a carbon atom of keto group gets the lowest number, lowest pose 1, 2, 3. It is what? Cyclohexanone. Where the double bond is located between second and third, cyclohexa 2, En. It is cyclohexa 2-enone. Cyclohexa 2N, cyclohexa 2N, more correctly cyclohexa 2N 1-none. Okay. This is six carbon ring, hexa, 2 double bonds, so it is hexa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hexa 2, hexa 2, 5, diene, hexa 2, 5 diene, cyclohexa 2, 5 diene, keto group is there, it is cyclohexa 2, 5 cyclohexa 2, 5 diene, cyclohexa 2, 5 cyclohexa 2, 5 diene 1-none. All right. This is it is what? 1, 2, 3, 3-methyl cyclohexa 2,5 di-N-1-on. It is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2,5 dimethyl cyclohexa 2,5 di-N-1-on. What is this molecule? Come on. What is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 3, 4, 4, 5 tetramethyl 3, 4, 4, 5 tetramethyl cyclohexa 2,5 di-N-1-on. Di-N-1-on. Cyclohexa cyclohexane, cyclohexa 2,5 di-N-1-on. This compound is commonly called, it has a shape of penguin, so it is commonly called penguinon. It has the shape of penguin, so it is commonly called penguinon. So compounds having CO group, they are called ketones, alkanone, cycloalkanone, etc. If CO group is there, if that is the principal group, that is to be treated as the main group, that is to be named as own. If it is acting as a substituent, then it is named as oxo. For example, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2COH. Here there are two functional groups, COH as well as CO group. COH group is the principal functional group. It is treated as the substituent. It is oxo. So can you name this molecule? It is 4-oxo. Come on. 4-oxo-pentanoic acid, or it is 4-keto-pentanoic acid. All right. Next one. The next functional group, according to our priority sequence, COH group takes higher priority than SO3H, has greater priority than anhydride, ester, aster chloride, amide, nitrile, aldehyde, ketone. Next priority group is OH. OH group, if OH group is the principal functional group, naming of compounds having OH group. If OH group is present as the functional group, here OH group is the functional group, it is to name this molecule, identify the continuous possible, identify the possible continuous, identify the possible continuous carbon chain as usual. Then from this get the alkane, then drop E and add ol. So name is alkanol. To name a compound having OH group, if OH group is the principal functional group, then what is done is OH group is the principal functional group. You have to identify the longest continuous carbon chain first. Get the alkane concerned. From the name of the alkane, you have to drop E and add OL. So name of the molecule is alkanol. Alkanol is the IUPAC name. To name this molecule, identify the longest carbon chain that should contain carbon atom of the OH group. Then number the chain from one end to the other in such a way that OH group connected carbon gets lowest possible number. So here, see, it is a 4 carbon hydrocarbon. It is a hydroxy derivative. Here OH group is the functional group. Identify the longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon chain. So 4 carbon chain, it is butane. There is OH group, so secondary suffix ola, where the OH group is connected, that is at the first, second, third, or first, second. This is the correct numbering. So it is butane. Drop the C and add OL. Fix its locant also, butane 2-ol. This one, it is a compound where OH group is the principal functional group. Identify the longest continuous carbon chain 1, 2, 3. It is 2-methyl propan 1-ol. 2-methyl propan 1-ol. Compounds having OH group, they are commonly called alkyl alcohol, ROH. Common name is alkyl alcohol. Common name is alkyl alcohol. IUPAC name is alkanol. CH3OH. CH3 group is methyl. So it is methyl alcohol, common name. CH3OH, 1 carbon containing alcohol. It is methanol, IUPAC name. CH3, CH2OH, or it is C2H5OH. Here the alkyl group is ethyl. Common name is ethyl alcohol. 2 carbon containing alkane ethane. IUPAC's name is ethanol. CH3, 3 carbon atoms are there. The alkyl group is propyl, more correctly N-propyl, because hydrogen atom is taken away from the primary carbon. It is N-propyl alcohol. Its common name is N-propyl alcohol. Its IUPAC's name propan 1-ol. CH3, CHOH, CH3. It is an alcohol having 3 carbon. The alkyl group is isopropyl. Common name is isopropyl alcohol. Common name is isopropyl alcohol. IUPAC's name is, 3 carbon alkane, propan 2-ol. Next one, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2. It is 4 carbon containing alkyl group. It is normal propyl alcohol. Normal butyl alcohol, 4 carbon containing. It is normal butyl alcohol. Not normal propyl, it is normal butyl. It is IUPAC's name is butan 1-ol. Next one, CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. This alkyl group is secondary butyl. It is Seg-butyl alcohol. Seg-butyl alcohol is the common name. Its IUPAC's name is butan 2-ol. Next one, CH3, CH. This is 4 carbon containing alkyl group. It is isobutyl group. It is isobutyl alcohol, common name. IUPAC's name 2-methyl propan 1-ol. Another one, CH3, CCH3. This is tert-butyl group. It is tert-butyl alcohol. Tert-butyl alcohol. IUPAC's name is 2-methyl. 2-methyl propan 2-ol. If OH group is acting as a substituent, then that group is called a hydroxy group. Here there are 2 functional groups, CHO group and OH group. Here CHO group is acting as principal functional group. OH group is substituent. So it is hydroxy group 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 3-hydroxy butanol. Here there are 2 functional groups, COH as well as OH group. COH group is taken as the principal group. It is principal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 4-hydroxy pentanoic acid. 4-hydroxypentanoic acid. If CHO group is connected to cycloalkane, if OH group is connected to cycloalkyl group, if OH group is connected to cycloalkyl group, then the compound is called cycloalkanol. If OH group is connected to cycloalkyl group, then it is a hydroxy derivative of cycloalkane. So the molecule is named as cycloalkanol. Here it is cyclopropanol. It is hydroxy derivative of cyclopentane. All it is cyclopentanol. Six-membered ring, cyclohexanol. If here there is 6-carbon chain, it is cyclohexanol, 2 substituents ethyl and methyl. OH connected carbon gets lowest number 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 3 ethyl, 4 methyl, 3 ethyl, 4 methyl cyclohexanol. OH group, bromine, chlorine. Here OH group is the principal functional group. Cyclopentanol, cyclopentanol will do. Cyclopentanol is also correct. Cyclopentanol. Start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 5 positions are occupied by substituents. If numbering is like this, it is 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This numbering is correct. Its name is 4-bromo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-bromo. 4-bromo. 2-chloro. 4-bromo. 2-chloro. Pentanol. Right? If OH group is connected to benzene, then it is called phenol. Phenol is the common name as well as IUPAC name. If OH group is connected to benzene, there are 2 substituents, ethyl and methyl. This is first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth. It is 5-ethyl, 2-methyl phenol. If there is an OH group, the compound is named as alkanol, cycloalkanol, phenol. If there are 2 OH groups, then the compound is named as alkyne diol, cycloalkane diol. If there are two OH groups, then the compound may be named as alkane diol, cycloalkane diol, or benzene diol. If there are two OH groups, the molecule may be alkane diol, cycloalkane diol, or benzene diol. Let us see the examples. It is two OH groups. Parent chain has two carbon atom. So name of this molecule is 1,2,1,2. It is ethane, whatever may be the numbering, ethane 1,2 diol. This is two OH groups. Parent chain has three carbon. It is 1, 2, 3. It is propane. One 3 diol. CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2OH. Two OH groups. Identify the longest continuous. Identify the possible longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is butane 1,3 diol. Butane 1,3 diol. This is cyclohexane with two OH groups. It is cyclohexane 1,2 diol. Here there is bromine. It is 1, 2, 3. This numbering is correct. 3 bromo, cyclohexane 1,2 diol. Next, if OH and OH, here there is bromine. It is 2 bromo, cyclohexane 1,4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 bromo, cyclohexane 1,4 diol. If there are two OH groups in benzene, it is benzene 1,3 diol. It is benzene it is benzene 1,4 diol. It is benzene 1,2 diol. Benzene 1,2 diol. Benzene 1,3 diol. Benzene 1,4 diol. Benzene 1,2 diol. Benzene 1,3 diol. Benzene 1,4 diol. It is commonly called catechol. Catechol. It is resorcinol. It is quinol. Compounds having 3 OH groups. There are 3 OH groups. then they are called alkyne triol, cycloalkyne triol, benzene triol. There are 3 OH groups. The compound is named as alkyne triol, cycloalkyne triol, benzene triol. Examples: CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. It is the simplest alkyne triol. 3 carbon atoms are in the parent chain. It is propane, alkyne, 1, 2, 3, propane, 1, 2, 3, triol. Propane 1, 2, 3 triol is commonly called glycerol. Commonly called glycerol. This is, what is its name? Cyclohexane 1, 2, 3 triol. What is its name? Come on. Cyclohexane 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cyclohexane 1, 2, 4 triol. If 3 OH groups are in benzene, it is benzene 1, 2, 3 triol, and this is benzene, come on, 1, 3, 5 triol. This is benzene 1, 2, 4 triol. This is benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. This is benzene 1, 3, 5 triol. This is benzene 1, 2, 4 triol. This finishes this session, and in the one more episode is needed to complete this nomenclature part. In that session, we will see the nomenclature of amines, compounds having NH2 group and those having naming of substituted cycloalkanes and bicyclo compounds, finally spiro. That will complete your topic, right? This finishes this session. One more session is needed to finish our nomenclature part. In that session, we will see the nomenclature of amines, means compounds having an H2 group, and also we will go through the nomenclature of cyclic compounds, substituted cycloalkanes, bicyclo compounds and spiro compounds. So watch this video thoroughly, regularly, go through the NCERT text very clearly, and try to come out with flying colors. Wish you good luck. Thank you very much.